Hey guys, to fix this Fortnite issue, that's what you need to do here. First of all, open up search and look for CMD, command prompt, right click, run as admin. Wait until it loads up, and then you need to enter this command here. And then press enter. And then wait until it's done. Next up, what you need to do here is to open up your browser. Then you just need to write Gameinput.dll, and then basically select releases, make Microsoft Connect, Gameinput. Then what you need to do here is to download this particular file, save it to your computer. Once it's downloaded, just launch the file here, press yes, and wait until basically it's done. After it's done, it should close automatically. Then press on File Explorer, then go to this PC, disk C, Windows, or Windows, then System32. And then on search, you just need to write Gameinput and look for Gameinput file. And you should see Gameinput redis.dll. Select it, right click on it, rename it, and delete redist thing here, and press OK. And then press continue, press yes, yes. And after you do so, relaunch the Fortnite and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.